Once upon a time, in a dense, verdant forest, there lived a little finch named Feather. Feather was small, but he had a heart full of courage. One day, as the sun was setting, Feather heard a faint cry for help. He flew toward the sound, finding a young rabbit trapped in a thicket. The rabbit, trembling with fear, thanked Feather for coming to his aid. However, Feather was too small to free the rabbit himself. He felt a pang of disappointment, but then he remembered his courage. Feather thought, "I may be small, but I have a voice and can seek help from others." So, he flew to the wise old owl, who lived in the tallest tree in the forest. The owl listened to Feather's tale and suggested, "Gather the creatures of the forest. Together, you can carry the thicket and free the rabbit." Feather returned to the rabbit and shared the wise owl's words. Together, they gathered the creatures, and with their combined strength, they managed to free the rabbit. The rabbit, grateful for their help, thanked each creature. Feather, though small, felt a surge of pride. He realized that even the smallest creature can make a big difference when they use their voice and work together. From that day forward, Feather never let his size deter him. He learned that courage is not about being big or strong, but about using what you have to help others. And so, the forest was filled with a newfound sense of unity, and everyone respected Feather, the brave little finch, a little bit more. Moral: no matter how small you may seem, always use your voice to help others and remember that courage comes from within.